There are so many different styles you can create using your Dyson Corrale. I'm just going to show you some of the most popular looks on my own hair here. So just piece by piece, I'm just going to show you how you can create them. The first one that's super popular is the straight and sleek. So exactly what it says on the tin, just with your Corrale selected at your right temperature, place in and glide down the hair right to the ends, and you'll have a lovely straight sleek look. The next one is called a true curl. So I'll get that out of the way. So the true curl, what you're going to do is take your Dyson Corrale at your roots, twist it 360 degrees, and just move down the hair slowly, like this. When you release, you'll have a lovely curl there, like so. Super easy to create. And then we also have the beach wave, which I'll show you on this piece. So with this one, you're going to do a similar technique, well, the same kind of starting technique as the true curl. So place it on the hair, twist it 360 degrees, slide it down the hair like this until you reach the ends, and you'll have that lovely curl again. And what you're going to do is go back over the ends and straighten them to create that kind of a beachy finish. And you can rotate the directions as you do them with this one on each section to get that lovely beachy look. The last one is the C curl. So I'm going to show you that on my front piece here. So just start as if you were doing a straight sleek look, and then bend it towards the ends to frame the face. So this is nice on shoulder length hair and above. So I'm going to show you on my short piece. So just take it between the plaits, straight and sleek, and then twist as you get to the ends. So that will create a nice bounce like this, and it'll just frame the face really nicely for you. If there's any other looks that you would like to see, please comment below this video, or you can always go into Dyson.ie and video chat with one of our experts live.